VitaliQ Korean Silk Peptide Serum is being promoted as an advanced anti-aging formula that claims to boost collagen, tighten skin, and deliver Botox-like results. But the real question is whether it actually works or just sounds impressive. The product is typically marketed as a peptide-based serum, using ingredients like collagen, silk peptides, and plant compounds designed to improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Peptides are commonly used in skincare and can support skin repair and hydration, which may help improve texture and firmness over time. However, here's the key issue. There's no strong independent clinical evidence proving that VitaliQ serum can significantly boost collagen or deliver the dramatic lifting and Botox-like effects it claims. Most of the results and statistics come directly from the brand's own marketing. There are also some red flags in how it's presented. The product heavily relies on buzzwords like silk thread technology and 30 peptides, but these claims aren't backed by widely recognized dermatological research or verified third-party studies. User experiences are mixed. Some people say it makes their skin feel smoother or tighter temporarily, while others report little to no long-term difference. I can't believe I bought this junk. Others mention that the effects feel more like surface hydration rather than real structural skin improvement. It's also important to understand that collagen in topical serums doesn't directly rebuild collagen deep in the skin, and many peptide formulas struggle to penetrate effectively, limiting their impact. So, is VitaliQ Korean Silk Peptide Serum real collagen or fake serum? It may provide short-term hydration and mild tightening, but the bigger anti-aging claims are likely exaggerated. The bottom line is that VitaliQ serum is probably a basic peptide skincare product wrapped in heavy marketing, with limited proof behind its more dramatic promises. So expectations should be kept realistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.